friends, it's Nisha here. Welcome to my channel The Dazzlers, and today I'm going to show you how to make tassel earring which are in trends and I simply love it. बहुत अच्छे दिखते हैं and बहुत affordable है and बहुत ही easy है to make. You just have to go to your local market, buy certain things and you're ready to go. So let's get started. You just need these two things. Yes, only these two things. And you just have to be very focused because these are very small loops and you just have to put it, you just have to insert it, and you can get it from any of your local market. This costed me near 10 rupees or 20 rupees maybe, and 5 rupees each. So I have chosen these two colors, white and blue. You can choose according to your liking, your dresses or something. Let's get started, huh? So first I'm going to insert this blue one. So आप इसको आराम से डालो. मेक श्योर आप किसी पेंसिल से या किसी से इसका लूप थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हो बिकॉज थोड़ा डलने में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है. So this is first one. This is the second one. The white one. You'll put it here like this. And then again the blue one. Okay, this three. Now again one white. Just have to be a little focused. See, problem. If you get any extra strings, you can just cut it off with your scissor. That's it. And the last one is blue. See, this is how it's gonna look. I'll just wear it for you and show you. Listen, I'm going to trim off the excess threads just to not look bad. It's done. So this is how it's gonna look. It's really easy. You can see it's really easy, really cheap and really affordable. I'm going to show you. I'll wear it and show you. So this is how it's gonna look. I love it. It's really simple to make and you can wear it with anything you want. See, this is how it's gonna look, and it's really easy. I've just shown you. Just you have to be focused while inserting it. And so if you have liked this video, please share, subscribe and like and comment below.